Hello everybody, welcome to ScottyDGaming, and today is my guide on how to find the Tower of Quantum Trials and also complete it. So we're going to go to Giant's Deep and we are looking for the big tornado, the big one. There we go. And all we're going to do is fly right, well actually, I don't think you can fly through it, so we're just going to go above it and then straight back down. There we go, and we're inside of that tornado, and we've found the Tower of Quantum Trials, but that's not it over with. If you want to know how to complete the trials, then keep watching. If not, you can try it for yourself without spoilers, but I'm going to go and finish it. Oh, I forgot that you can't really use your jetpack here because of the gravity. So you're just going to go up here and walk up the ramp. And then once you get inside, that's when we'll start the trials. It's pretty easy, it's pretty simple, but then again, everything's simple when you know how to do it. So yeah, I think it took us a little bit to figure out, but once I had the first thing down, it was pretty simple. And you do learn how to deal with quantum things if you research other things in the game. So here we are. We're going to find the lift all the way up to the top. And basically the trials, you've got to get all the way back down to the bottom. So you've got to go like past each level. It'll take you further and further down the tower. Here we go. So just jump straight in the first hole. If you're doing it for the first time, you might want to just like translate everything so you get all the codex items. Alright, there we go. So what we're going to do is, first is simple. You've got to go through every single one of these doorways, but you've always got to keep your eye on it, otherwise it will disappear. In the more difficult challenges, we'll start using the scout camera to make sure it stays in one place. There we go. And every so often you'll just get different things that start to appear. So in this one, I'm pretty sure it's just that appears. There's no doorway here, so we can just drop down. There we go. Now, this one is one of the... well, it gets trickier every one. So, we can see that there. All we need to do is put a camera down. Make sure the camera's looking at it. And then we can go up and go in the doorway safely. As long as it's being observed at all times, it'll stay in position. Right, we can get rid of that. Now on this one... oh, well, just drop down again. Now, these little pedestals do give you clues, so don't think you're like stuck. For example, this one is, the arch and the crystal do not naturally meet. So what you need to do is, there's the crystal, and that's a gravity crystal, so you can walk on the wall. We need to make sure that stays in place. So let's keep an eye on it. And then we'll just keep doing Michael Jackson, Shamones, until the doorway appears at the top. But now what we need to do is take a new picture and make sure it's looking at them both so that it doesn't disappear. There we go. And you can, if you want, I think this might be a part of the codex. Make sure you use your what's it called? Signal scope on these so you pick up whatever information you need and then drop down again. And I think this is the last trial. I might be wrong. So what we've got is, it says, this is the last one, but we made it harder. So it actually didn't give you any help. Apart from, look, the gravity crystals appear on the wall. You've just got to scale the wall, which is dead easy. Just make sure one crystal's there. And make sure the camera's looking at the crystal. So we can keep looking away until the other crystal appears in the middle section. Oh wait there, shit, sorry, my mistake. Put the camera facing sideways so that this top one changes position. There we go. Come on, baby. There we go. So now that that's in the second position, what we need to do is we need to leave the camera, ideally. Make sure it's looking at them both. There we go. So that back one doesn't disappear, because if you forget to look at this back one, when you walk past it, if you remove your camera, you'll fall back down. So there we go, we're going to do exactly the same thing here. Put the camera sideways. And then just wait until the crystal appears there. And then we can camera, make sure that's looking at them both, and we can walk to the top. And then we've just got to look for the doorway. There it is over there. But don't make the mistake and try and jump over there if it's on the opposite side, because gravity's double. It'll mess you up. Just wait till it appears on the right side. Unless I've been mistaken. Come on, teleport over here. There we go. And that's it. I think that was the last quantum trial. Yeah, it is, that's it. You can get information off there, but other than that, that is the quantum trials finished. Right lads, I hope that's been helpful, and I shall see you in the next one. In a bit lads.